viewers, welcome to my channel Gourmet's Delight, and this is Faiza. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you a very delicious dish, that is the Kashmiri Chicken Yakhni. I hope you will enjoy watching this recipe. So let's get started. I have some spices over here for the recipe. 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, that is 1-inch stick, 6 cardamoms, small size. If you have the bigger one, you can go for 4, and 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, and 1/4 teaspoon thyme, that's ajwain. We need to make a powder of this. So our spice mix is ready. Now let's prepare our gravy. I'm going to keep my pan on medium flame. To this I'm going to add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Oil has started to heat. Now I'm going to add 2 medium onions, thinly sliced. I want the onions to become translucent, so I'm going to fry them on high flame until they turn translucent and soft. I don't want them to become brown. The onions have started turning translucent. To this I'm going to add 1 kilo chicken. I have cleaned and washed it. Now I'm going to add it. So now I'm going to fry the chicken well until the chicken slightly turns to golden in color. I want the chicken to fry well. Salt as required. This is a very important step. Please fry the chicken well. Now I'm going to add the dry spices which we had made. The spice mix. 1 teaspoon ginger powder, that's the saunt. Let's saute this well. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon garlic paste. This chicken has very beautiful flavor. This is actually my granny's recipe. My nanu, she used to cook this very nicely. It was, we used to just love, and I always used to tell her to cook this. So my chicken is almost done. Now at this time I'm going to add 500 grams of yogurt. I have whisked this well, and now I'm going to add this. Just stir this immediately or else it will catch lumps. And now cook it on low flame. The important ingredient of this recipe is the yogurt and the mint, which I'll be adding it after some time. Now I'm going to cook this on low flame for around 7 to 8 minutes. I want the yogurt and the spices to just blend well. I'm going to add dry mint. 1 teaspoon dry mint. This is the very important ingredient. If you don't have dry mint, you can just use the fresh mint paste and you can add that. The actual flavor of this Yakhni chicken comes from the yogurt and the dry mint. So please do not omit the mint. So this is almost done. I'm going to cook this only for a minute or two, that's it. I'm going to add, this is totally optional. If you want, you add it, or else you can just leave this. 3 to 4 whole cardamoms. This is a very delicious recipe. You can make this recipe within 10 to 15 minutes. And it's a very royal recipe as well. So this is done. I'm going to turn off the stove. Now let's do the plating. So our chicken is ready. Now to give it a final touch, I'm going to sprinkle some dry mint on top. As Kashmiri dishes are very rich, so to make it more rich and royal, I'm going to give it a final touch with edible silver or gold leaves you can take. So here's my Kashmiri chicken yakhni. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your friends and family and continue to give me your support. So you can eat this with some naan or any type of bread, or also you can go with some Kashmiri pulao.